Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. This is an update on Solana. If you watched the last video, you likely got the entry here. We're around, let me zoom in a little bit for you. We're around this area last video. We're looking for a little bit more of a move down and to buy between the 50 and the 618 here of this previous wave. This correction, we're originally looking for this as an A, B, and 5 waves down, but we didn't get that. Again, it didn't change where our target area to buy was. If you had your buys at the 50 and the 618 and potentially the 382 like I do as well, a third at each, you would have caught this buy either way. And all that was this is an ABC, 5 waves down for a W wave. And then we end up getting another ABC here as a WXY. So a double zigzag correction. That's why I don't like to pin exact counts, because they can change so quickly. And I make it aware every time we discuss this, how often WXYs happen. That's why I stick to fib levels and shapes more than counts. I believe we also called this one last time as an ABC. But anyways, where we're at now is we're looking for 5 waves up to complete a larger ABC flat pattern, like so. We have a 3 wave, and 5 waves up to correct our larger B wave, or larger correction, and then expecting further downsize to make lows below this 1730-ish area here. I'm going to be doing a macro count on this on Sunday or Monday. I'm going to do the larger daily candles once a month if you want to subscribe and see that. But as of right now, looking for this move to correct as a 1-2. Again, with buys at the 382.50 and the 618. That's my plan of entry to add to my position. And my stop will be at this low here. This is not financial advice, just letting you know what I'm doing. I'll be entering somewhere around here, depending on the average price I get. And I'll be targeting first the 1-to-1, but I'm expecting higher if we get 5 waves, up to at least the 50% of the previous down wave, which is at 2360 and 2538, up to that area. And once we get the pivot for our second wave, then I'll be able to get even more defined targets to where we expect our 3rd, 4th, and 5th wave to come in. But until that happens, I won't be able to pivot that, just extending currently off this larger A wave off the B. All right, guys, so that's what I'm doing. I'll be taking more entries at the 382.50 and the 618. Stop is currently at this low, not at this low anymore, and looking for 5 waves up. Alternatively, if we come up in 3 and start to come back, I can expect this to turn into a WXY. But again, the direction shouldn't change, just the wave shapes. This is extending out at the moment as 5 waves as a flat. You can also, just to help you guide yourself, you can put a pitchfork off the low of the A, the high of the A, and the low of the B, and keep an eye of if we're drifting out of it or not. It's just an extra added visual to make sure the wave's forming out as it should. Again, it's just a little extra guideline you can use. But as for now, that is my entries on Solana. Could be buying at 1978, 1958, 1937, a third of each position. Stops at that low. And not financial advice, just giving you transparency of what I'm doing. Expecting this to form out as a either complex correction or a simple ABC. We'll see what forms here over the next day or two. Okay, make sure to subscribe if you want to see those daily counts I'm going to be putting up every month of the larger term view. This is just down at the micro. All right, thanks for watching.